morning, everyone. It's Sunday. It's 11:22. I got up at like 9-ish, so it's been a while. It's another nice and very sunny day outside. Damn. I could literally sit there and watch that forever. Actually, I couldn't really because I'd get bored, but still. Better than Virginia, or Fairfax, but you know, whatever. My hair is still in the same ponytail it was in yesterday, as you can tell. But I do this with all my 2-day competitions usually. I just keep my hair up because like, it's too much work to take it down and then put it back up. So I just leave it up and then just re-tease it anyways. And then this morning, I swear, I'm so stupid. I was trying to dry something with a hairdryer this morning because I got something wet, so I was trying to dry it, right? And then I was like, oh, the hairdryer won't work. Like, I literally could not get it to work. I kept, like, doing all the buttons and everything, like, on and off, and putting it back in, turning it back off for, like, a good hour. Like, I'd come back every couple of minutes and, like, try and do it again. It would not work. And then finally, my stupidity went away and my somewhat smartness kicked in, and I realized it wasn't even plugged in. Like, okay, it's fine. Alright.
I have cookies. Where does this say garlic bread? He yells at me. Where does this say garlic bread?
Vlogception.
Whoa!
Like, this vlog is just staying on her phone, and she's like, maybe gonna rewatch it like one time.
I'm sending it to my mom in North Korea. Why is she? She's friends with Kim Jong-un. You laugh, but like it's a real. Yeah, they don't. Strictly bread.
How white? Ugly. Oh my god, it's burning. This isn't okay.
I hope you didn't hear that.
Okay,
They probably did. No, tell us how cool you are, first of all.
This is a cute photo.
Which means I can see sound waves. Alexis here has a purple voice.
So, if anyone here that has synesthesia is watching, what color is my voice besides purple? Alright, well, if you have it, tell me what color my voice is. I want to know. Wait, Kendall, what color is your voice? Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. I forgot. When Kendall told me about that, I freaked out. I was like, no.
Wait, what is it called?
I was in like disbelief. I was like, that's so cool.
Wait, what is it called? It does, right?
What did you get?
Mozzarella sticks.
Yeah, mozzarella sticks. This is really good pizza.
I just want my fries.
Hell.
I'm not gonna get them.
Oh wow.
I love fries.
She's walking away.
I'm going to cry. They keep playing with my emotions.
Holy moly, that's a ton of salt, Courtney.
Sodium. Watch your sodium count.
People ask me why I'm so salty.
I should have gotten my pizza. I regret.
1 second, hold on.
What kind of pizza did you get? Like
Cheese. Oh, that was a lot of salt.
yeah.
I told you, you literally put on like 20 pounds.
I ate too much lemonade. I ate too much lemonade. Maple syrup on my fries.
It's not maple, it's just sweet.
I like a too salty.
Which like
Not very good.
I don't like syrup or salt.
Where's more ketchup? I need.
Ow!
Oh, the aftertaste is really bad.
Dude, a vlog inside the vlog.
Like, oh, my mom doesn't.
Adding.
Oh, Courtney.
It's trying to pull us off.
Did you just say F5 boys?
Excuse me.
F5 boys. Kendall. Kendall.
Wait, what? You're such a big fan.
Kendall, I got that all in my trusty GoPro.
I was going towards someone. She was from Fame, and I'm like, good luck. And she looks back, she's like, I didn't have anything from cheer. She's like,
I'm gonna sing you guys my cheer music.
we're so bad we lost. You know that is a loss. Headed to the top, leaving you haters. And
Wait.
Oh my god! People!
Catch me outside.
Where's the ice vending machine?
My buddy got me a bracelet. I don't care what Matt is talking about. But she got me a cute bracelet. It's an Alexandrian. It has an A on it. My hand's covering it. It's in the shadow. So yeah, it's really cute. And she put a pun on there that said, "You're going to win gold," because you know it's a gold bracelet. And I showed you guys yesterday. I don't know if I told you or not, but yeah, it was really cute, and I really appreciate it. And it was so adorable. We're at the picture station. We've made some friends. What's your name?
Cheryl.
Cheryl. She's really awesome, just so you know. Her kid is on Shade.
Yeah.
Her
Cheer
kid's
Extreme Shade.
Cheer Extreme Shade. You guys should obviously know who that is. So yeah, she's got a kid on there. It's pretty lit. Her name's
My
Kayla.
nephew is Joe Paris.
Her nephew is on Rain, so it's even more lit. I mean, that's pretty awesome. This is Daniel. He's another photo guy. He's pretty cool. I mean, I've had a pretty great weekend now. Day 2 is pretty great, so.
We call her what?
She's right.
What do you call her?
Agreeable. She's the most agreeable person, has a very subtle head nod. Phenomenal. Thought you do a picture.
Oh, thanks.
Of course. Yeah.
Cute. I like it.
Okay, so they gave us productions.
What?
Two.
Huh?
And guess what? We got it back.
See, Matt? You named it. I have it. I have it in STDA. I have it.
Bye.
Dead rats! Dead rats!
Well, they said they want to be in the vlog, but they're actually not paying attention.
Yeah, okay, wait. They wanted to be in my vlog, but it's fine. It's fine.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
So dangerous.
I can't stand up for that!
You feel it every single time. I'll show that you're the only thing that stays on my mind. Tell me that you hold me and I'll never leave your side. I'll show that there ain't no reason for words to define our love.